Alright guys, we got a special request calzone today. They want chicken, onions, and we're gonna drizzle on some hot honey at that. Show you guys how it's done right now. Alright, we're gonna start off with the ricotta cheese first. Alright, just like that. Next up, we're gonna hit it with the mozzarella cheese. Over here, I got the cooked chicken and onions. Throw that right on top. Finish it off with some more cheese. We'll close this up. I like to cut off the ends a little bit. I pat this down so it doesn't open up. I'm gonna throw this on right here. Alright, next up we're gonna put a little bit of that extra virgin on there. Gotta let it breathe. Just like that. And we'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. Alright, here we have it, guys. We got the calzone with chicken and onions. Let's get this baby cut. Look at that inside, guys. Nice and cheesy. Alright. Gonna throw on some basil on top. Just like that. Next up, we're gonna go around with the hot honey. Come check it out, guys. Hot honey chicken calzone.